the Silent Dreamers. So Ellie and Sam were two passionate street performers who loved and dreamed of sharing their stories with the world. So every day, they set up their small stage on the bustling streets, so using gestures and expressions to entertain passersby. But deep inside, they long for something more to bring their performances in life in a way that people would truly feel and hear their performances. So one evening, as they wandered through the city, they stumbled upon an old abandoned theater, and curiosity led them inside. So they found a dusty stage and the rows of empty seats. So and the wall whispered stories of the past, and the center of the room there was a forgotten film projector.
Sam turned the machine's crank and suddenly the screen flickered to life. At first, it was just moving pictures, like the silent shows they perform in the streets, but now, something magical happened. The images gained sound, the music swelled, voices spoke, and every moment was filled with life. They watched in amazement as the story unfolded, realizing the true power of sound in storytelling. Ellie and Zam were mesmerized. They had spent years perfecting their silent performances, but now they understood that sound could transform their art. It wasn't just about what the audience saw, it was about what they heard and felt. Their dream was no longer just about being seen, it was being heard.
With newfound inspiration, they decided to bring this magic back to the street. Using what they had learned, they created a performance like no other, one that blended the beauty of silent expression with the emotion of sound. Crowds gather, captivated by the way their story now came to life in a whole new way. At last, Ellie and Sam had dream come true. They had discovered the missing piece of their art, providing that sound and silence together could create something truly unforgettable. Their journey had begun in silence, but now their voice would echo for generations to come.